Hello and welcome. In my last two videos, I've showed you these two line winding devices. And in this one, I'd like to compare them and tell you which one's better and why. That is my personal opinion, and if you've got something to add, leave a comment in the comment section. Also, if you'll find this content useful, don't forget to put a thumbs up, as it really gives a motivation on creating new videos. And also you can subscribe to the channel if you'd like to support it, as it is pretty new. So this gadget is made from plastic, so it will never rust. And this one, although they state that it is made from aluminium alloy, in my opinion and from personal experience, it's not fully made from aluminium, but there is just a slight cover of it on the top of the metal. So there's still a big possibility that it will rust. Also, it has those two springs, and I can see right away that those are made from metal. So if you're gonna be using this one, keep it dry after each usage and, well, it will last for long. The second thing, which in my opinion this one's a winner, is because it has only those two parts. So you won't actually lose it if you keep it as a single piece. This gadget, well, it has around like 8 or 10 parts in total, and it has a spring. So when you are gonna be removing the bobbin, after you'll put it on your spool, the spring might shoot out and you might actually lose some of its parts, or you might actually have to spend a bit of time searching for those parts. The next thing, which, well, this one is a winner in my opinion, is the size. This one seems to be a bit more compact than this one, and well, for this one you need a smaller tackle box than for this. The next thing is that you can use the plastic one anywhere you want, as long as you've got a rod. So because you basically place it on a rod and you don't need a flat surface as with this one. So the last thing is the price. The plastic one costs around $6 and the aluminium one costs around $10. So it's not a really big difference, and what's $6 or $10 our days, but again, still, in my opinion, this one is a winner, and I've just named you all of the reasons why I think so. Basically, that's all that I wanted to tell you, and, well, if you've got something to add, please leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.